A number of companies have started to consider the idea of holding Bitcoin on their balance sheets for a variety of reasons. Some have cited inflation as a reason. Others have found it as a way to hold an asset that remains liquid, but also generates a return. And some just want to support Bitcoin and its ability to give economic empowerment to individuals. Today, we look at the largest publicly traded companies that own Bitcoin. Let's get it on! 10. Coinbase, $257.8 million. One of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world and the first to go public in the United States, Coinbase represents a new level of maturity for the asset class and its surrounding industry. Coinbase's public listing occurred on April 14th of 2021. In the process of becoming public, the company's cryptocurrency holdings were made public. Coinbase currently holds 4,487 Bitcoin, which confused many, as it is the most prominent crypto exchange in the US. Yet it holds less than non-crypto-related companies on this video. The Coinbase website boasts 56 million verified users, $335 million in quarterly trade volume, and $223 billion of assets on the platform. The company has made no public statements on whether they will continue to hold Bitcoin or buy more in the future. 9. Marathon Digital Holdings, $302 million. Marathon Digital Holdings is a Bitcoin mining company. Over time, the company has slowly amassed a portfolio of over 5,000 Bitcoin. The company's site says that it aims to build the largest mining operation in North America at one of the lowest energy costs. According to its website, the company produces just over 55 Bitcoin a day, with its over 103,000 miners, and makes up 6.2% of Bitcoin's global hash rate. The cost of running its operation is nearly $5,000 a day. The company also bought $150 million worth of Bitcoin in January 2021 to better its long-term investment strategy. 8. Square, $461 million. In October of 2020, Square announced that it would purchase $50 million worth of Bitcoin, worth approximately 4,709 Bitcoins at the time of purchase. This means that the price spent per Bitcoin was just over $10,600 when they made the investment in October. Square has been involved in the cryptocurrency space since 2018, when it began allowing users of Cash App to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin and other cryptos. Square's founder and also the creator of Twitter, Jack Dorsey, is also a known Bitcoiner. Dorsey moved to create Square Crypto, an independent team that contributes to Bitcoin's open source code to further the protocol. Square furthered its commitment to Bitcoin by creating the cryptocurrency Open Patent Alliance, a nonprofit that seeks to push crypto innovation and help to maintain open access to crypto-related inventions and software. The announcement said that the company believes Bitcoin to be a tool of individual empowerment that can benefit the greater good. 7. Galaxy Digital Holdings, $770 million. Crypto-focused merchant bank Galaxy Digital Holdings holds 16,402 Bitcoins, worth just over $770 million at current prices. Founded by Michael Novogratz in January 2018, the company has partnered with crypto firms, including Block.one and BlockFi. Novogratz is, unsurprisingly, a keen advocate for Bitcoin. In April 2020, he noted that stimulus measures announced in response to the coronavirus pandemic were driving interest in cryptocurrencies, calling it Bitcoin's moment and arguing that money doesn't grow on trees. 6. 3iQ Bitcoin Fund, $1 billion. Canadian crypto asset portfolio manager 3iQ holds 22,590 Bitcoins, worth just over $1 billion. Following several years of back and forth with regulators, 3iQ's Bitcoin Fund was listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange in April 2020. enabling Canadians to invest in Bitcoin through their regulated investment managers. In September 2020, the regulated BTC fund was listed on the Gibraltar Stock Exchange. We expect to co-list this fund around the world in major exchanges. 3iQ President and CEO Fred Pai told Decrypt, "Our vision is for this to be the biggest regulated Bitcoin fund in the world." 3iQ is also behind a Canadian dollar-backed stablecoin called QCAD, which launched in February 2020. 5. Ruffer Investment Company, $2 billion. London-based asset manager Ruffer Investment Company is one of the most recent firms to join the Bitcoin bandwagon. In December 2020, it allocated 2.5% of its multi-strategies fund to Bitcoin, arguing that the cryptocurrency serves as a small but potent insurance policy against the continuing devaluation of the world's major currencies. Ruffer's bet seemed to have paid off. Its 45,000 Bitcoins, worth over $870 million at the time of purchase, is now worth over $2 billion. 4. Tesla, $2.5 billion. In late December of 2020, Tesla announced that it had updated its investment policy to provide the company with more flexibility and diversity, allowing them to invest in digital assets like Bitcoin. After its policy change, the company invested $1.5 billion into Bitcoin and said it might acquire more and hold the asset from time to time or even long term. Elon Musk has also been highly vocal and positive about cryptocurrencies on his Twitter account. Tesla's recent earnings report revealed that the company had actually sold 10% of its Bitcoin holdings, creating a stir on social media, with some saying the company helped to pump Bitcoin only to sell some. While Tesla did sell some of its Bitcoin, its reasoning for the move looks to have been a test of cryptocurrency's liquidity. The company still holds over 43,000 Bitcoin. Before revealing the final 3 stakeholders in the Bitcoin world, we would like you to become a regular member of our channel. To do that, kindly subscribe to our channel, give us a like, share the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for timely updates of our latest uploads. Let's continue. 3. CoinShares, $3.2 billion. CoinShares Group, one of the earliest pioneers in digital asset investments, also joins the list of public companies managing substantial Bitcoin assets. The company is widely regarded as a pioneer in the cryptocurrency investment industry and was the first firm to launch a regulated Bitcoin hedge fund and exchange-traded Bitcoin product. Nowadays, CoinShares offers 2 exchange-traded Bitcoin products, Bitcoin Tracker 1 and Bitcoin Tracker Euro, both of which can be traded on XBT, provider AB. As of February 2021, CoinShares assets under management included 69,730 Bitcoins, currently worth just over $3.2 billion. Though not quite as impressive as Grayscale's BTC coffers, CoinShares investments still represent over 0.3% of the current Bitcoin circulating supply. 2. MicroStrategy, $4.6 billion. Perhaps the biggest Bitcoin bull of them all is MicroStrategy and its CEO, Michael Saylor. Saylor has been extremely vocal about Bitcoin on his Twitter account. The business intelligence company even has a whole section of its website dedicated to Bitcoin. In early August of 2020, MicroStrategy purchased its first Bitcoin for $250 million. Since then, the company has continued to acquire more and more of the digital asset in varying quantities. The goal behind the company's purchase is to maximize long-term value for its shareholders. Our investment in Bitcoin is part of our new capital allocation strategy, which seeks to maximize long-term value for our shareholders, said Michael J. Saylor, CEO, MicroStrategy Incorporated. This investment reflects our belief that Bitcoin, as the world's most widely adopted cryptocurrency, is a dependable store of value and an attractive investment asset with more long-term appreciation potential than holding cash. Most recently, MicroStrategy purchased an additional 271 Bitcoin for $15 million, making the company's total Bitcoin holdings up to 91,850. 1. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, $30 billion. Grayscale Investments is undoubtedly one of the biggest names in the Bitcoin space, and for a good reason. Grayscale has by far the largest Bitcoin portfolio of any institutional investment platform, with over $30 billion currently under management in the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which trades under GBTC. In total, Grayscale Investments now holds more than 3% of the Bitcoin total supply, with 656,166 Bitcoins currently under management across its Grayscale Bitcoin Trust and the Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund. There we go. Did you enjoy our video? What is your take on cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin in particular? Is it a hit or a miss? Well, if you enjoyed our video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more of our amazing content. Please give us a like, share the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for timely updates of our latest uploads. We value your feedback. Feel free to share your thoughts with us in the comments section below.